Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to learn how to make money online. So this is a series which we're running MMO, Make Money Online, and in this particular video we will learn how to make money online from Google News or from Google, okay? So make sure you watch the video till the end to get the knowledge here, because quickly let's go through some disclaimers. As you can see, this channel is not about entertaining you. It is about giving you hardcore knowledge so that you can apply that knowledge and then make some money online, okay? So this might work for some people, this might not work for some people. So there's no guarantee it's gonna work, because I don't know which skills you have, okay? I don't know what you can do in your life if you are, if you're a writer or you are a, IT person. I don't know, okay? So I can generalize this, video here so that it goes to a broader audience. If you're watching this video, you have to match the content of this video with your skills, and if that suits you, you can apply the techniques and then you will make the money. So don't watch the video if you are looking for some entertainment. This is purely hardcore knowledge, okay? Next disclaimer we have is the secret is out. In order to make money online, you need to stop losing money online, which means if you find people selling you some courses online that they will teach you how to make money online, avoid all those courses, don't buy anything, okay? And lastly, before we start the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, because this channel may not make you any money. You might not make any money by watching our videos, but you will surely get accurate knowledge, and this channel will massively save you from losing money. So whether you make money from our videos or not, that's a different thing, but you will definitely not lose your money by buying some scam products if you watch our videos regularly, okay? So let's go ahead and start the video now. As you can see, this person's trying to make some money online, from his computer, and probably you're trying to do the same thing. You're trying to make some money online on the internet, okay? Now the website which we need to start to make money online, as you can see in the title of the video, is Google, okay? So let's go to Google, and in Google we have to type in Google News, all right, and then press enter. Now once you see, you will have your country's Google News website. Now you'll need to open that, and once you open Google News, you will see a dashboard like this, depending which country you're from, okay? Now on the left side you need to click on World, and once you click on World, then you need to scroll down and select some categories here. So you have some categories such as business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health, okay? Now for first example here, for first technique, we are going to go into the health category here, and under health you need to look into these kind of concepts or headlines at the top, like healthcare, mental health. Let's go for fitness. Fitness is the most trending category, and then right at the front you have an article. It says weight loss. Here's why doing cardio every day is not helping you shed kilos. So it's 8 hours ago, right? Now in your country you will have different content, so don't worry if the content is not the same. But we have to just open one of these articles from here, and then let's see what does it talk about. This article is only 8 hours old, which means it's fresh, fresh and fairly new. Now what we're gonna do is we are going to scrape, or rather copy the content from here, and then we will use the content in our articles later on. So they have a lot of content here. Let's say we just copy all this. Let me just copy here. Make sure you copy it correctly, because I'm just showing you in demo purposes. I will only copy one paragraph here, let's say this one, but you have to make sure you copy everything. You copy at least 2,000 words, okay? So I have copied this one paragraph just for example, but you need to make sure you copy the whole article paragraph wise, all the whatever the length of the article is, but make sure it is at least 2,000 words, okay? Now once we have copied the paragraph, what we need to do is we need to write it in our own words. Now how do we do that? Because we don't have such time, right? So what we do is we go to this website called smallseotools.com/article-rewriter. As you can see on the screen here, smallseotools.com/article-rewriter. Now this particular website allows you to rewrite content up to 2000 words for free. Okay, now in this demo here I have got only 94 words, but you need to make sure you copy 2000 words and then come to this website and then click here on this option which says rewrite article. Okay, and then select whatever the security check here is, mountains, verify. And now this website is going to rewrite that article for us, which you just copied from Google News. Okay, do not forget the steps. Make sure you have the steps, otherwise you will, if you lose in between, then you will not know what to do. So now it's rewriting the articles for us here. As you can see, it's processing. It will take maybe a few seconds or maybe a minute too. So it's 8% done. We just have to wait and watch. Okay. Right, 70% now. In the meantime, while it is rewriting it, the first website which we are going to publish the article on is called eatingwell.com. As you can see at the top here, eatingwell.com. Now, the concept here is that we go to Google and we go to categories, and then we open articles from different categories, and then we copy the articles and then we publish them on other websites, and those other websites are going to pay us for for the number of articles which they will publish on their websites. Okay, so let's come back here and let's see if the article is done. It's almost 75%. It's taking some time, 83. So you can see this is rewriting all the words for me, and eventually once it is finished, I will have a plagiarism free article. So this article is unique now. It is not copied anymore. And then make sure it's only 90 words. This is a demo, but you need to do this with 2000 words. Okay, so you copy those 2000 words from this article from Google News, and then you paste it in this, and then it will rewrite those 2000 words for you, and that means now you have a fresh article. Okay, and then what you need to do is you need to go to this website called eatingwell.com. And once you are on eatingwell.com, you need to go into the guidelines section, and then here it says lead time 3 to 6 months, and they can pay up to $1 per word, which means if your 2000 words article gets accepted on eatingwell.com, they publish your article, that means you will get paid $2,000. $1 per word. That means if you submit 2000 words and if that is accepted, you will make $2,000. Okay, so how do you need to submit it? Make sure we scroll down, and then you need to find their email address. And if you go to this pitching guidelines of eatingwell.com, this is the email. So you need to copy this email, pitches@eatingwell.com. You copy the email, then you go to your email account, Gmail, Hotmail, whatever, and from your Gmail account or from your other email account, send an email to them with your article. Now make sure you save that article in a Word file. Let's go and open the Word file here and make sure it's correctly formatted. So in our case, let me just copy that article which we have translated here. This is the one. Okay, I'm going to copy this and then paste it here. So there you go. Now similarly, you have to make a Word file and have those 2000 words saved in this file, and give a name to your article, give the headline, and then you need to go ahead and email that article to this particular email address, and then wait for them to respond. Now I'm not saying that every article you send them that will be accepted instantly, because they have their own deadline, they work slow, and it's not possible that any article you send that will be accepted. So you might have to send 10 articles, 15 articles, 50 articles, 100 articles, I don't know. So you have to do your hard work. You will never make money if you don't work hard. Okay, so second website which we're going to use is called sierraclub.org. okay, as you can see at the top, sierraclub.org. Now you need to submit different kind of articles. For example, on Sierra Club you can submit something to do with maybe technology, right? So you go to technology, and then you choose OnePlus is emerging oxygen. So whatever the content is trending in your country, make sure you open that article and you copy all these articles from here. Then you go to this tool called the small SEO tool, article rewriter, and then make sure you rewrite those 2000 words, and then you come to sierraclub.org, and you need to find their email address from here. There it is. So their email address is sierra@sierraclub.org. So in other words, sierra at sierraclub.org. Okay, this is the email address. Let me make it bigger for you. Right, so in order to submit your articles on Sierra Club, this is the email address. So go to your email, hit compose, and save your article like this in the Word file, and then send that article to sierra@sierraclub.org. So we got two websites covered for you: eatingwell.com, sierraclub.org, and a third website which you can use to publish your articles is called daily.jstor.org, daily.jstor.org/submit. Now here you can come and read their publishing guidelines, and then you can contact them, go to the contact section and fill up the form, and you can see here how to submit. So there are these three websites you can try in the beginning. I can give you more websites, but it's no point, because if you can't get your articles published on these three websites first, that means you're doing something wrong. And if these three websites will not accept you, then other websites will not accept you either. Okay, so you have to make sure you expertise some like article rewriting thing, and then you need to send articles and wait for them to publish, because it is once you send them the articles in the email, then it's not in your hands. It's on them now to publish and accept the articles. So you need to make sure you send them at least maybe 20 articles to each website, right? So this is for testing purposes. So send them like 60 articles, 20 articles to one website, 20 articles to eatingwell.com, 20 articles to Sierra Club, and 20 articles to daily.jstor, okay? And then you have to wait for a month and see how many of your articles gets published. If they publish maybe even one article each website, so if, let's say if Eating Well publishes one article out of those 20, that means you make $2,000, because your article was 2,000 words long and they're paying $1 per word. So you have to just click once, right? So you send them 20 articles a month, and in 1 month, if they accept only one article, you make $2,000. Similarly, you go to the Sierra Club. If they accept one article from 20 articles, you make around $1,500 to $2,000. Similarly, this website, daily.jstor, they pay you less. They pay 31 cents per word. So that means you may make around $300 to $400 per article, per 1,000 words. But that is also an extra income, okay? So now this is the technique you can do, or in your free time, go to Google News, search for articles, rewrite those articles, then go to these three websites and submit your articles and wait for them to respond. At least start with, start sending them 50, 60 articles, then only you can, then only you can expect some kind of positive reply, okay? If you think you only send them 2-5 articles, I don't think you will be accepted, all right? So you have to keep trying until you break the stone, all right? Now, this might work for some people, this might not work for many people, okay? So the main purpose of this channel is just to tell you how it works, the knowledge and everything. It's gonna work in your personal life. There's no guarantee, because everybody's different. Everybody has a different skill set. Everybody do not have patience. Everybody, everybody wants to make money from the same day, from next day, okay? So what you can do is, if you are not patient enough, if you don't want to do this process, then I'll tell you the 2 ways to make money online. First of all, it's absolutely free, which is YouTube, right? You go onto YouTube, you make your videos, and if you can speak, if you can talk on the camera, it's a good platform. You can go to YouTube, make a lot of videos, right? But if you do not want to make videos, you're not comfortable, then you can start your blog and a website, okay? Now, in order to start the blog or a website, you will need hosting, right? Now, if you go to GoDaddy or Unlimited Host, if you go to GoDaddy or DreamHost or Namecheap, whatever, they charge you monthly. Like they will charge you $10 to $15 every month, okay? And that is something a newbie cannot afford, because you don't have money. Now, what you can do is, I have put in the link in the description below. That link will take you to this website called getlifesuit.com. And this will give you unlimited hosting of websites and domains at the tiniest one-time cost, which means you do not have to pay every month. If you want to start your own blog because you want to review, you want to make money with affiliate marketing, then you can start your website or blog instantly, and you can buy this hosting in just one-time cost, which means you're going to save a lot of money and you don't have to pay every month. And apart from hosting, they give you unlimited like other features as well, this autoresponder and funnel builder, webinar creation, which you can use as a marketing strategy as well in the coming future. Now, this is how you can make money if you want to be independent. Independent means you don't want somebody else to be your boss, you don't want somebody else to pay you, you don't want to depend on somebody else to give you some money so that you can live your life, right? So these are 2 ways you can make money online. Grow your YouTube channel, make YouTube videos, and eventually you'll make money on YouTube. If you are not comfortable, then start your website and get this unlimited hosting so that you don't have to worry about paying for hosting ever again. And even if you already have a website and you're paying monthly, you can still switch. These people can help you to switch from your existing hosting to their platform, right? So this is all for this video. Make sure you hit the like button, leave your comments, subscribe to this channel, because as I said earlier, no matter if you make money with our videos or not, but this channel will definitely help you to save your money. We will not let you lose your money. That's the motive of this channel. So do subscribe and hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next video shortly.